If you ever wondered how it would Bantam look like with a corkscrew on its back, well, here it is. So this is a Victorinox Waiter red, reference number 0.3303, and it's a one layer knife that consists of main blade, combo tool with a 90-degree half stop, of course can opener, bottle opener, wire stripper, and number 2 Phillips screwdriver. And this tip right here works well as a package opener as well. Moving on, scale tools, tweezers, and toothpick, the keychain as well, and on the back side the 4-turn corkscrew, and behind it the hole for the pin. So if you add the eyeglass screwdriver, the pin and the keychain pocket clip, like I did here, so you can see the eyeglass, the pin and the keychain pocket clip, you'll have the most complete minimal 84mm one layer Victorinox knife that you can throw in your pocket and possibly forget about it. This is a combination that you can go wrong with in any urban setting. So I think with all these tools that I've added, I think is the best EDC Victorinox knives so far. Of course, if you don't want to bulk up your pockets. So again, this is Victorinox Waiter red. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.